Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Wave weekend. So let's start today crypto analysis with the BTC USD. In BTC, after this impulsive move, now we are looking for the corrective pattern like W, X, and Y. We can count this move differently. So as of now, we are looking for this move as a WX. Now market completed its black wave A. Now we are looking for this black wave B towards the 75 or 80. The end of group 2 at this point. So at this point market give us this move as a wave A, wave B. Now we need to wait for the pattern in 70 or 72 to go towards the 75 and in 80 in lower time frame. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, if market give us the classic trading level pattern at 65 after this leg, or market cross this low, this wave B at this point, then we will go towards the bearish side like market already crossed this point, give us the first low below level. Or we can count this move as arrival. Now we need to wait for this reaction to complete first low below level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point 50 with respect to 55. If market cross this point, if market after this wave B and wave C, if market cross this wave 80 and give us the pattern like arrival, reaction first high above level A, B, C. Then we will go towards the 100. Again either WXY or as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. If market cross this point, then we will go towards the bullish move. As of now, we are looking this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C. Or we can count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 of wave A. We can count differently. So let's check the possibility how we join the next move in lower time frame. So in lower time frame, after this move wave X, we count this structure as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a black wave A, or we can count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and then wave 5. We can count differently, but market move from one number to another number with respect to the Elliott wave pattern and with respect to the classic trading level pattern. So now if you want to go towards the bullish side, we need to wait for the pattern at 68 or at 72 to go towards the 80. Like if market gives us the pattern at 72, like arrival in lower time frame 15-minute or 30-minute, reaction first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point 75 and then 80 step by step. Or we can go towards the next point with respect to 68 in lower time frame, 5-minute time frame. You can check the classic trading level pattern. So let's check the pattern number 1. In pattern number 1, market need to give us the arrival, then reaction at 65, 68, 70, 72. The group 1, group 2, medium number, minor number, major number. So arrival, then reaction, then again market cross this arrival, this number as a first high above level. After this first high, we need to wait for the correction A, B and C. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the next point, or we need to wait for the next impulsive move in lower time frame to refine our entry from this wave B to this high to inner wave B, step by step. So if we want to go towards the next point, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 68 in 5-minute time frame. Overall, in 72, if market gives us the pattern, then we'll go towards the 75. Because as of now, market moving towards the bearish side. If market completed this point, then again market will give us the pattern at this point, like arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B and C in lower time frame to go towards the next point 53, then 50 step by step. So after this classic trading level pattern, like overall if we see this pattern. Market already give us the first low below level according to 65, or at 60 also belong to the psychological number. So market give us the arrival, then reaction. Now we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side. If you want to go towards the bearish move, we need to wait for this wave B to cross, then we will go towards the bearish side. But we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this inner wave B. Like we need to confirm this pattern with respect to the next impulsive move and its correction. In lower time frame again we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern. We can go with this wave B towards the next point. So let's check our next pair, Ethereum. So in Ethereum we count the structure as a brown wave 1 at this point. After this brown wave 1, we count the structure as a wave A, wave B. Now we are looking for this wave C, like wave 1, wave 2, and now wave 3 is in play as a wave 1, 2, 3, and now wave 4 is in play, or it's make completed. So at this point, the strong and larger number 2. At this point, market not stop at the level, directly creates low. Market give us this low. So now we need to wait for the next impulsive move and its correction in lower time frame to go towards the next point 15 and group 1 step by step. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the next impulsive move and its correction. So let's check the pattern number 3. So in pattern number 3, market not stop at the level at 2000, market not stop, directly creates low. So after this low, if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the A, B, and C, the correction, and then next impulsive move to refine our entry. We can go with this wave B towards the next point, but we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this low to inner wave B to go towards the next point. So let's check the possibility how we join the next move in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this black wave 1 and black wave 2, we count the structure as a brown wave 1, brown wave 2, brown wave 3, brown wave 4 may complete it, or that's possible. This brown wave 4 still is in play. So let's check the possibility how we join the next move. So we count this structure as a wave A, wave B, and wave C. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the pattern at group 218 at this point wave B. So if we want to go towards the 18 with respect to 19, we need to wait for the pattern at 19, like arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the next point 18. If this 18 give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the next point 15 with respect to group 2. The start of group 2 165. 65 belongs to group 2. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point or at this wave B. In lower time frame, in 15-minute or in 30-minute time frame, or in 5-minute time frame, if market give us the pattern at 20, like arrival in 15-minute time frame, we can go towards the 19 or 18 if market give us the pattern like arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the 90. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may go towards the bullish side after this 19, like wave 1, 2, or WXY in different ways. So if this 19 or 18 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the bearish side. So let's check our next pair, XRP. So in XRP, we count the structure after this black wave 1 as a WX and then Y. We can count differently, like We can move this black wave 1 at this point, like then we need to change our count as a brown wave 1, brown wave 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a brown wave 3 at this point, brown wave 4 and then brown wave 5. We can count differently. If this is the case, then we shift this black wave 1 at this point. In both cases, now we are looking for this corrective move as a WXY or as a A, B and C. So as of now, we are looking for this bearish move. So market crossed this 15, sorry 1.5, the medium and strong number directly creates low, the pattern number 3. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for this pattern to complete, or that's possible this pattern already completed at this point as a B and C. After this, we need to wait for the impulsive move and its correction to go towards the next point. So let's check the possibility how we join the next move. So if market cross this 2, the strong and larger number, then we will go towards the bullish side as a WXY or as a 1212. If market cross this point, give us the arrival reaction first high above level A, B and C. Then we will shift our count towards the bullish side. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this wave A and wave B, we count this structure as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Okay, safe. Now we are looking for this brown wave 5 towards the bearish side. So how we join the next move? At this point, if market give us the pattern at 1.3, market not touch this 1.3. So 1.33 also belongs to the group 1. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the pattern like at this point. Market already give us the classic trading level pattern in daily time frame, but in lower time frame, we need to wait for this correction to complete as a B and C. Then the next impulsive move at 1.33 or at 1.3 and its correction A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 1.1 and then 1 step by step. Or that's possible this correction still is in play as a triangle or as a sideways. So if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point. Let's check our next pair, Solana in daily time frame. So in this pair, market give us this black wave 1. After this black wave 1, we count the structure as a brown wave A, brown wave B. Now this brown wave C is in play, or we can count differently like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2 or WXY. So as of now, market cross is 100, the strong and larger number. At this point, pattern number 3 is in play. So first let's check the pattern number 3. In pattern number 3, market not stop at 100. Directly creates low. After this low, we need to wait for the A, B and C the correction and next impulsive move. Then we will go towards the bearish side. We can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish move. But we need to refine our entry from this point to this low to inner wave B. So at this point, we need to wait for this correction to complete like first low below level, this correction, then next impulsive move and A, B and C, then we will go towards the next point. If market cross is 120, the group 2 belongs to 110, 120 and 130, then that's possible market go towards the deep correction or towards the bullish side. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave 4, we count the structure as a black wave 1, black wave 2, black wave 3, black wave 4, may completed or still is in play at this point. That's possible. This we can count this move in different ways like A, B, and C, W, then X, like this. Okay, W, X, and then Y. If this is the case, then we will go towards the if this is the case, then we will go towards the bullish side. Like we need to wait for the pattern at 90. Market already crossed this 90, creates high. Now we need to wait for this reaction. This reaction, then again impulsive move where its correction. Then we will go towards this point 100. Otherwise, that's possible. This move already completed at A, B, and C as a black wave 4. That's also possible. So let's go back to our original count like this A, B, and C. So if we want to go towards the bearish move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 80. 80 belongs to the end of group 2. Like we need to wait for the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrival, reaction, fast low below level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the 75, then 70, then 65, and then 60 and 55 step by step. So market move from one number to another number, numbers like major number, medium number, minor number, and micro number also in 1 minute or 5 minute time frame. So let's check our next pair, ADA USD. So in this pair, we count this structure as a green wave 2, or that's also possible. This green wave 2 still is in play, like W, then X, and then Y. So in both cases, now we are looking for this move as a wave 1 2 1 2 3 towards the bearish move or as a WXY. So we count the structure after these brown wave 1 and 2, green wave 1 and 2. Now we are looking for this green wave 3. So we count the structure as a black wave 1, black wave 2, black wave 3 is in play. At this point 0.3. The strong and larger number market cross this point. Now this correction is in play. If we want to go towards the bearish move, we need to wait for the pattern in lower time frame like impulsive move and its correction to go towards the next point step by step. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this brown wave 4, we count the structure as a green wave 1, green wave 2, green wave 3, green wave 4. Now this green wave 5 is in play. So if we want to go towards the bearish move, we need to wait for the clear impulsive move towards the 25 like wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and 5 arrival, reaction, fast low below level A, B, and C. Then we will go towards the next point, group 1, 23, 22, and 0.21, and then 0.2, step by step. So if we want to go towards the bearish move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at this point. If market cross this pattern 0.3 and give us the impulsive move and its correction, then that's possible market go towards the next point 0.32 and 0.33 as a WXY. Or that's possible market may go as a sideways like A, B, C, wave B, C, D, and E. Market may go in different ways. But for the bearish move, we need to wait for this classic trading level pattern. So let's check our next pair, Doge USD. So in this pair, we count the structure as a black wave 1 at this point, then black wave 2. Now we are looking for the inner waves of black wave 3, or we can count this move as a black wave A, black wave B, and black wave C in different ways. So at this point, zero point 0.1, the strong number, market cross this point. Now this reaction is in play as a pattern number 3. Market not stop at the level at zero point 0.1, directly creates low. Now we need to wait for this A, B, and C correction to complete and next impulsive move. Then we will go towards the bearish side. We can go with this wave B towards the bearish move. But we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this low to inner wave B. So let's check the possibility in lower time frame. If market cross this wave 2 or 1, 0.15, then we will go towards the deep correction. The medium number 0.15 at this point. If market cross and give us the classic trading level pattern, then we will go towards the deep correction towards the 50 to 61% or towards the bullish side. So as of now, we are looking for the bearish move. Let's check in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count the structure after this green wave 1 and 2 as a brown wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that's possible this correction may completed as a B, and C, or that's also possible market may go towards the bullish side as a 0.13 as a W, X, and Y towards the 50 to 61% fib retracement zone like this. At this point 0.12 or 0.13, market may go towards this area. So if this is the case, then we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 0.11 to like this. At this point 0 point, market cross is 0.10, pattern number 3 is in play. At this point for the bullish side, market cross this point, creates high. So if market give us this move as a wave A, B, and C, next impulsive move A, B, and C, then we will go towards 0.11 and then 0.115 and then 0.12 step by step. So if this wave 2 completed at this point, then we need to wait for this correction to complete as a wave A, B, C, or wave A, wave B, and wave C. Then next impulsive move towards 0.09 A, B, and C to go towards the next point. If market give us the pattern at 0.09, arrival, a reaction, first low below level A, B, and C, then we will go towards the 0.08. So this is for now. We will meet again in next week with indices and other markets. Like, share, and subscribe.